There are many natural products that are said to help whiten teeth, but here are 5 that are often recommended. Baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help remove surface stains on teeth. You can mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and then brush your teeth with it. Be careful not to use too much baking soda, as it can be abrasive to the enamel of your teeth. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is said to help whiten teeth by breaking down the bacteria that causes plaque. You can use coconut oil as a mouthwash or add it to your toothpaste. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural bleaching agent that can help remove surface stains on teeth. You can dilute apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a mouthwash, but be careful not to use too much, as it can erode the enamel of your teeth. Strawberries. Strawberries contain malic acid, which is said to help whiten teeth. You can mash up a few strawberries and brush your teeth with the mixture or rub the inside of a strawberry on your teeth. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a form of carbon that has been treated with oxygen to make it more porous. It is said to help remove stains from teeth by absorbing the particles that cause discoloration. You can find activated charcoal toothpaste or use it as a powder by mixing it with water to form a paste and then brushing your teeth with it. Thanks for watching.